welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be coming at you today with another DIY hack video, and today I am going to be showing you how to make your very own super highly coveted, that was sold out immediately, that everybody's always just been wanting, the Louis Vuitton Capucines banana bag. Yes, this has been the envy of every single influencer and Louis Vuitton lover. Everybody that has ever seen any bag ever is wanting this bag because it has a freaking banana attached to it. Who does not want their very own banana bag? I'm going to show you how to make your own. So the Arty banana bag is super simple to make, and I know it's just so highly coveted. When it came out, everybody and their mother was wanting this bag, so no worries. I am going to show you exactly how to make it. The first thing that you're going to need is, of course, the Louis Vuitton Capucines bag. If you don't have this, there are a lot of dupes out there. I do not condone at all buying a fake bag, but if you want to buy a similar looking bag, just so that way you can have your very own banana bag, then you can always do that as well. I'll see if I can find any options available online. My favorite shop, as always, is Amazon, so I will see what I can do for you. You will, of course, need some chain and pliers to get the links off. Some magnets. I really like this grouping because they do have varying sizes. I use the large one on the bottom of the bag and then the smaller ones on the various bits of fruits and vegetables that I'm attaching to the bag. I still can't believe I am saying that. This is going to be a real fun video though. Got some paint and a paintbrush so that way we can paint the magnets and they will blend in seamlessly. This particular one is the taupe gray because this is the closest to matching the Galet color of my Capucines bag. And then the paintbrush, of course, is going to be used to apply the paint onto the various magnets. Now, depending on what color of fruit you're doing, you are going to want to get some paint that will match that, so that way you can paint those magnets the appropriate colors. In my case, I did paint some magnets brown because I do have a few items that have stems, so I will show you those and then when I apply those. And then, of course, you'll need a glue gun to apply the magnets to the fruits. So first up, we are going to glue the magnets onto the fruits. I did paint this one brown to match the stem of the apple, and then I have another one here to match the stem of the banana. And then we are just going to glue it on. I find the easiest way is to apply the hot glue directly onto the stem or wherever you're going to be gluing it, and then just taking that and dipping it right onto the magnet. And then that way you know it's lined up nice and neatly. And then if you want, if you do have any excess glue, you can always get your paint back out and then paint the glue so that way it looks like just a continuation of the stem. And then you do the same thing with all of the other fruits. So here I just take the little bit of chain, I have my banana with the magnet, and voila! Look at that, we are already halfway there to our very own banana bag. And you can do all of the different kinds of fruits and eggs and whatever other random stuff they have available, or you can make your own. Is Halloween coming up and you need some garlic to scare away the vampires? Are you a Southern Italy fan and obsessed with lemons or limoncello? Do you have a hot day tonight and want to get it a little bit spicy or go into a Mexican restaurant? Do you know a cat that hates pickles? Do you have a favorite emoji that has an alternative meaning? Okay, I think, no, that crossed the line. All right, let's keep going.
Available in stores now, Louis Vuitton brings you their newest collaborative collection.
Every piece of fruit is carefully handcrafted and hand-painted.
Urs Fisher's limited edition Arty Capucines transforms a Capucines BB into a hanging sculpture with the addition of hyper-realistic hand-painted pieces of fruits and vegetables.
You won't find any poison apples here.
The pieces adorn the bottom of the bag by way of a super thin and delicate gold-plated chain. Get yours today by contacting your Louis Vuitton representative.
Now, because we're using the power of magnets, there is not going to be any damage at all to the bag, but I would recommend when you go to store it, do take the magnets off because you don't want to have to worry about it potentially making a little indentation on the bottom. But what I am going to do is you can take one really large magnet. I do have all of these leftover larger magnets, and I'm going to just put those right in the bottom here, in the middle. And then this Galet colored magnet, boop, it's just going to go right there on the bottom and attach because it is just attached to the magnets there, and you can even see it. Ooh, it's like a little magic magnet trick. But we are just going to make sure that it is lined up right there in the middle, and that is where we are going to hook our banana and fruit and whatever else we want. All right, so I am just gonna hook the banana there, and then that is going to just go right there, and there we go! We have our very own banana bag that everybody wants and is going to wear all the time out and about, because you are not gonna get any odd stares at all from having a really expensive Louis Vuitton bag, because this one has a banana. So go to the zoo, the monkeys will love you. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this DIY on how to create your very own banana bag. If you liked this hack and you want to see more like it, yes, this one was completely 100% satirical. No, I actually don't plan on wearing this out in public. I hope that you got that earlier on in the video and didn't have to watch the whole thing to be like, oh my gosh, this lady is out of her mind. What is she doing? But if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button because I am going to be doing a ton more DIY and hack videos in the near future. And until next time, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you check out my DIY Louis Vuitton candle hack. Should that be the thumbnail? No? How about meow? All right.